Did you know Roosevelt dimes from the 1990s can be worth a lot more money than just 10 cents? In this video, I'm going to show you examples of coins that sold for a lot of money that you don't want to miss. Without wasting any more time, let's hop into it. So here we have a 1995's 10-cent Roosevelt dime that sold for $833.75. Now the first thing you need to know is that where your coins are produced really does matter. This one was produced at the San Francisco Mint. Now how do you know that? A lot of the time you can see around the date there will be a small little S mint mark. Sometimes you will see a D mint mark, sometimes you will see a P mint mark, and sometimes you'll see no mint mark at all. And on very rare occasions, you'll see a W mint mark standing for the West Point Mint. What you need to know about this coin is that this one was minted at the San Francisco Mint. It is a proof coin. You can tell if you have a proof coin by the backdrop of the coin will be like a mirror. People also consider that to be the field of the coin. Next, it's important to know the highest achievable grade in grading is 70. This one hit that grade. It's also important to know that just because this coin got 70 does not mean the coin that you send in will get 70, but it is possible, just really challenging. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $833.75. This coin sold for $1,080, and here's why. So this is a 1991 D Roosevelt dime, graded by PCGS, a mint state 65 with the full bands on the back. So let's break this one down. If you look on the front of the coin, you will see a small D mint mark around the date. That stands for the Denver Mint, where this coin was minted. Next, if you flip the coin over and look in the center of the coin, you're going to see a torch with horizontal bands. Now those bands typically do not come full because they are the highest point on the coin and they are the hardest to strike. Mainly, the reason why this coin sold for so much money is because it is very hard to get this coin in this high of a grade. Another thing to really keep in mind is when the coins are being sold. If you're selling your coins at a market low, then you're going to get less money than if they're being sold at a market high. You really need to know how to grade your coin before you waste money and time sending it off to grading. I have a completely free ebook that goes over coin handling, grading, and values. All you got to do is click the link below, but you don't have to do that. What I would say is just keep doing your homework and research, and if you want to sell your coin, make sure you find someone trustworthy. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed, so you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. Here we have a coin that sold for $1,200. This is a 1998D 10-cent Roosevelt dime graded by PCGS, a mint state 68 with the full bands on the back. Not a whole lot to say here. I mean, this is another D minted coin for the Denver Mint. This one was minted a little bit later from 1998. This one also has the full bands on the back, which we are familiar with by now. And mainly because this one graded so highly by PCGS, it allowed it to sell for $1,200. Here we have a 1992P 10-cent Roosevelt dime graded by PCGS, a mint state 68 with the full bands on the back. Now sometimes Philadelphia minted coins will not have a mint mark on it. That is not the case for these coins. You can see that P mint mark clearly above the date, but you can see a general theme on these coins is a high grade with the full bands on the back, allowing them to sell for a lot of money, like this one that sold for $1,440. Here we have a 1994D 10-cent Roosevelt dime. This one also graded by PCGS, a mint state 68 with the full bands on the back. This one sold for $1,680. Here's a 1997D 10-cent Roosevelt dime graded by PCGS, a mint state 68 with the full bands on the back, and this one sold for $2,160. Here's a 1999S 10-cent Roosevelt dime. Now this one hit the perfect grade of 70, allowing it to sell for so much money, guys. This one sold for $2,990. I bet you didn't know that YouTube knows exactly what you want to watch right now, and that video is on the screen, so go ahead and click on that video and I'll see you inside.